days of sunshine. So we stayed put and we stayed in Chateau plage for the last 5 days, made the most of the nice sunny plot and the beach and the lovely town. But it's clouded over and the weather has changed today, so we are moving on and we are heading back up the coast, kind of like the last week run back to the ferry, really, back into Brittany. And our next stop is a coastal town called LaTranche Sur Mer. We've never visited this town before, it's new to us, as is the campsite that we'll be staying at, so we shall get there and see what it's like, and we'll let you have a look too. See you in a bit. We're almost there. And this is the campsite we're staying in LaTranche Sur Mer, the Cottage Fleuri. So you drive in and you park up just here. This is reception. Very welcoming. Speak perfect English, no problems booking in at all. It's a barriered site, so they give you a code, so it's nice and safe. And this campsite has lots of big lovely trees if you want a pitch with shade. The campsite also has mobile homes, so if you don't have a caravan or a tent, you can have a mobile home. And I don't know what this site is like in the height of summer, but at this time of year in September it's lovely, quiet, very relaxed campsite. We like it a lot. In season they have a bar which does drinks and pizzas and frites and all that kind of stuff. But it's closed at this time of year. And this is one of the sanitary blocks. So you come in, washing up sinks, clothes sinks. There are standalone sinks, but at the minute they're locked because it's out of season. Don't really need to open that many. And then through here, it's all one block and it is male and female shared. Not uncommon in France. These are the showers. So basically you have, let's find one with a nice bit of lighting. Ah, there we go. Nice big showers. Not adjustable but warm enough, with nice big sinks in. Lovely. Then you have the loos. With seats, but no toilet roll. So bring your own. That's pretty much it really. There's a baby bathroom just in there. And there is disabled just in there. Lovely. Everything that you need and perfectly usable. Fabulous. And this is where we are on our pitch, just here in the corner. Lovely. The pitches are all a really good size. They all have electricity and they all have water points. And this pitch with an Axi card is costing us €18 a night plus taxes, which comes to around about €19.30 per night. Fabulous. So literally 5 minutes walk down this little road out of the campsite and you make your way to the sea. I can see the sea. Well, that's some beach, isn't it? My goodness. So you have this huge beach on the doorstep of the campsite. And then actually you can walk all the way along the beach here, all the way around to over to that point, and over there is the centre of LaTranche Sur Mer, with lots of bars and restaurants and things, and a big port, boat port. So definitely probably worth checking out. And all within walking distance, I would say, of the campsite if you're feeling a bit vigorous. That's a bit of a walk round to the town along the beach, but very nice walk. Fab. And he's got his t-shirt off. This is serious business. Okay, Bernard, I think this beach definitely deserves a French beach tour. Here we go. This is Beach Twill on LaTranche Sur Mer. And the date today is the 14th of September, so we are mid-September. And what better way to spend a mid-September glorious sunny morning than walking down the beach. It is another gloriously sunny morning, so we are heading actually into the main part of Tranche-Sur-Mer. So there's the beach. We've just walked down from the campsite. There's a little bistro on the beach there, very pretty. And there's a little path that runs around the back of the beach, makes it a little bit easier to walk into town. It's part of the GR34, so we'll take this little walk around the back. Lovely walk into town. That's about, that's half an hour slow walking, so not bad at all. Definitely walkable from the campsite. There's a little boulevard down there. We'll walk down the boulevard, I think. Let's have a quick look up here from the viewpoint. Oh yeah, look at that, that's fabulous. Tranche-Sur Mer. This is a real find. Oh my goodness, it just goes on forever and ever and ever. So this is the point. And then you've got another amazing bit of beach that goes all the way that way. Yeah, you can walk along this beach for days. Right, let's head into town. Come on, let's have a little walk into town and see what they got. Off your butt. Shops, and still open at this time of year, which is great to see. Oh, what an absolute treat of a surprise. Didn't expect it to be as big as this at all. So I've been very naughty and I bought myself a nice new pair of earrings. But hey ho.
And shoes.
And shoes.
No.
I've been on a little bit of a shopping spree. Let's have a little walk over the main plaza. Well, that's what you come on holiday for, isn't it? Well, it's an absolutely lovely little town. Fabulous.
Tourist office over there.
Yeah, tourist office. Let's go and have a look. Tourism office. If you want any information about the area, it will be there. Bakery and a small little super oo by the looks of it. Yeah. Excellent. Oh, there's loads of it still to see. Oh, lovely. Look up here. Getting a little busier now. Now it's getting towards lunchtime. Moo. The sun's starting to come out. I think we'll probably head back to the van for lunch. That's a lovely little town. Before the sun gets too hot.
Well, we headed back.
I think we probably are, and we'll head back along the beach, I think. Let's just have a little quick recce down this one, because we didn't walk down this one. Let's get all the streets in. Lovely little restaurants. Oh, pizzeria. We like pizzas. How much are their pizzas? Oh, very, very affordable. So back down to the main prom, and we will walk on back to the van. What did you think of LaTranche Sur Mer, Bernard?
I like it.
Yeah, me too.
Come out for lunch, then plenty of choice.
Yeah, if you want to come out for lunch, there's plenty of choice.
It's not badly priced either.
No, reasonably priced too. Not like kind of rip-off seaside prices. Excellent. Oh, it's lovely sunshine. Let's go. And there is, we've just seen a little path that runs around the back. So we're going to hit the little path. Ah, no cycles allowed on this bit. Walking only. Ah, lovely little path there now. Perfect.